Z for these hoes.
Yeah, you know these hoes on motherfucking cock, but I don't give a fuck, cause this motherfucking Glock is loaded. It's ready to be fucking exploded. And you know I got a fool, fuck all that bullshit. I'm killing all these wannabe gangsters. Yeah, you know 32 bullets come out the extended clip in the chamber. Motherfucker, I ain't no strangers to this motherfucking shit. Motherfuckers, I keep it sick. Yeah, you know I cuss, but that's just a part of the job. A bust on that fucking job. Yeah, you know I'm talking about the bitches. Yeah, you know these fucking snitches all up on my motherfucking, yeah, all up in my business. But these motherfuckers can't say I'm a witness to no murder. I'm spitting that shit you never heard of, cause you know it's Arizona, and you know we sling it on the corner. Corona, what we sip, some is what we motherfucking take, and you know we gonna keep it motherfucking sick till the grave.
Cannibal Sam. Cannibal Sam. Cannibal Sam.
You best be understanding that me and Brandon were always landing seeking-able flows, leaving the whole stranded outside of the door because they can't even comprehend what we do. Me and my friend used to roam the streets of Dubtown, committing seeking-able sins, murdering motherfuckers, ending up lost and never found, never pretended about what we did, cause it disappeared without a stamp. We were just kids doing what we did, all about West Side bound, coming quick. Never thought this shit would happen with me and my homie, but now it happened and I can't even continue. Reminiscing and attacking motherfuckers that are missing, but they can't even remember what happened.
Yeah, they can't remember what happened, but I remember as we were busting caps in these niggas' asses. I don't be giving a fuck it, I am the master of disaster. Fuck all you stupid bastards, I don't give a fuck. Niggas be running up, wondering what the fuck nigga got in this cup. Is that scissor? That shit's got me tipping to the right. Motherfucking every goddamn night. The promethazine and codeine got me sipping main like a motherfucking fiend. But Ray Z, I'ma let you go crazy up on these flows and let these silly bitches know all for the show.
See, Ray Z never remember what happened, cause you know those metal pieces I be clapping, motherfucking blasting on any punk ass fool, cause you know Ray Z gonna keep it cool, rockin' Jordan, then you know they old school twos. What the fuck you need, cause I'm sipping on that special brew, Pepsi and Absolute, and you know it's Grey Goose, be that motherfucking vodka that got you, yeah, you know need a motherfucking Mountain Dew, and you know that motherfucking crew be the sickest in the 602. Smoking on that purple stuff, and you know it's rolled real fat in that fucking blunt. Or maybe the split, whatever you want, you can get your fix. And you know I love the fucking blunts over the slips. Maybe the same, yeah, you know Ray Z gonna keep it the same, coming off the brain. That's right, the top motherfuckers. He dropped on my Glock on the spot. Motherfuckers ain't got shit on me, motherfuckers.
Yeah, nigga.